How to change your high school on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your high school on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and now click settings and then go down until you find this one, profile information, and here you will find your high school and click pin and then click edit school, and now click on your school name here, and then all you need to do just type another name of high school, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.